Industries running the economy like oil and gas, mining, ports, power grids, and many other require vast areas to function. Safety, connectivity, and productivity in every aspect is crucial to meet the increased demands of current time. Industries are embracing digitization, but still the process seems to be slow. Modern industry requirements such as multiplayer gaming, logistics, mining face huge issues in scaling due to limitation of current communication architecture. For example, consider the use case of this refinery where there are multiple IoT devices and applications which require high throughput and connectivity are being catered through traditional Wi-Fi based stations, access points and their edge application sitting far away from the premises, resulting to lower throughput and higher latency. Digital transformation has always been a challenge for these sectors, but not anymore. To solve this problem, Niral Networks proposes the use of private 5G over Wi-Fi, where the RAN device, 5G core and the edge application server is situated inside the premises, eliminating all the clutters and providing a very high throughput and ultra-reliable low-latency communication, suiting the modern requirements for covering a wider area using less number of radio units and leaving behind no dead zones in the area of deployment. Introducing NiralOS, where Niral 5G core, Niral Edge application server and Niral Controller comes under a single operating system, easy to install and deploy on the go and supporting all the major CPU architecture available in the market.